Think you know what it takes to maintain the 2024 Dacia Duster? Think again, there's a lot more going on under the surface. And today, we're uncovering the surprising truths that most people never talk about. If you own one, or plan to, this is a must-watch. This is Supercar, your inside source for everything automotive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest deep dive content. You might assume that a budget-friendly SUV like the Dacia Duster comes with hidden sky-high maintenance costs, but the truth is far more surprising. The 2024 Dacia Duster in many ways defies expectations when it comes to keeping it running smoothly. While official service intervals can vary slightly by region and engine type, typically ranging from annually or every 15,000 kilometers to annually or every 18,000 miles, always check your owner's manual for precise figures. The overall picture points to affordability. For example, in some markets, official Dacia services are offered at surprisingly competitive fixed prices. A basic A service might cost around £155, while a more comprehensive B service could be around £210. This structured pricing often includes essential checks and replacements like oil and oil filters, cabin filters, and various system inspections, providing peace of mind without breaking the bank. But what if you prefer to get your hands dirty, or you're looking for ways to cut down on garage visits? Here's a truly surprising truth about the Dacia Duster. Its design philosophy embraces a remarkable level of DIY friendliness that is increasingly rare in modern vehicles. While high-tech cars often require specialized tools and diagnostic equipment for even basic tasks, the Duster retains a refreshing simplicity. Many common maintenance procedures, such as changing your engine oil and filter, replacing the air filter, cabin filter, or even spark plugs and brake pads, are quite accessible for the average home mechanic. With readily available parts online and a wealth of online tutorials specific to the Duster, you can save a significant amount on labor costs. Considering that average garage labor rates in some regions can be upwards of £75 an hour, doing these tasks yourself can add up to substantial savings over the lifetime of the vehicle. This practical design choice is a testament to Dacia's commitment to real-world usability and affordability. Now, let's talk about the parts that actually wear out and what you can expect to pay. You might anticipate premium prices for replacement components, but this is another area where the Duster delivers a pleasant surprise. The Dacia Duster benefits from being built on the CMF-B platform, which is shared with other Renault-Nissan Alliance vehicles. This widespread platform usage means excellent parts availability and competitive pricing. For instance, a new oil filter typically costs between $6 and $14, an air filter is around $20 to $25, and a cabin filter runs $13 to $25. Spark plugs can range from $3 to $30 each depending on the type, and a set of brake pads might set you back between 14 and 63 pounds, with brake discs usually costing 20 to 60 pounds per disc. These prices are often lower than those for comparable parts in many rival SUVs, directly contributing to the Duster's overall lower cost of ownership. The robust simplicity of its engineering helps keep component costs down and reduces the likelihood of complex, expensive component failures. But what about potential headaches? Every car has its quirks, and the Duster is no exception. But the surprising truth here is that its common issues are generally well documented and often less severe or costly than those found in more complex vehicles. While some owners of older models have reported minor issues like gearbox stiffness, electrical glitches, or DPF blockages in diesel variants, especially with short journeys, the Duster generally boasts a strong reliability record. In surveys like What Cars, the Duster consistently scores well for reliability, often above 95%. While rust on bodywork or paint has been noted on some models, particularly white ones, and occasional ECU faults can occur, These are often less frequent or more manageable than the major component failures sometimes seen in more technologically advanced rivals. So, how does the Dacia Duster stack up against its closest competitors in terms of maintenance? This is where the Duster truly shines and reveals a profound truth about its value proposition. When we compare it to popular rivals like the Kia Stonic, MG ZS, or Hyundai Bayon, the Duster consistently offers a more budget-friendly maintenance experience. While the Kia Stonic and Hyundai Bayon are known for their competitive warranties and generally good reliability, their parts and labor costs can often edge higher than the Dusters. The MG ZS, while similarly budget-focused, has seen mixed reviews regarding parts availability and cost from some owners. The Duster's fixed-price servicing, combined with its high DIY potential and affordable parts, often leads to a significantly lower long-term cost of ownership, making it a genuinely surprising champion in the maintenance arena for its class. Beyond the standard petrol or diesel engines, the 2024 Dacia Duster offers some fascinating powertrain options, particularly the EcoG bi-fuel, petrol and LPG, and the new Hybrid 140, each with its own surprising maintenance considerations. The EcoG system, factory-fitted and fully integrated into the vehicle's warranty, is a testament to Dacia's practical innovation. Unlike aftermarket LPG conversions, this system is designed from the ground up for reliability and efficiency. Its main unique maintenance requirement is the periodic replacement of specific LPG filters, a gas phase filter typically every 18,000 miles, and a liquid phase filter every 36,000 miles, which are minor additions to the standard service schedule. The Hybrid 140, a self-charging system, eliminates range anxiety and external charging needs. Its maintenance is largely similar to a conventional petrol car, though it benefits from reduced wear on brakes due to regenerative braking. A key surprising tip for hybrid owners: if parking your Duster for extended periods, starting the engine monthly will help maintain the 48-volt battery charge, ensuring optimal system health. Ultimately, the surprising truth about 2024 Dacia Duster maintenance is this. It challenges the preconceived notion that affordability in a new car inevitably leads to high running costs. Instead, the Duster embraces a philosophy of robust simplicity and transparency that translates into genuinely affordable upkeep. From its competitive fixed-price servicing and surprisingly high DIY potential, to its readily available and inexpensive parts, the Duster is designed to be maintained without breaking the bank. It's a car that, by choice, avoids overly complex systems, preferring durability and practicality, which in turn saves you money in the long run. So, if you're looking for an SUV that respects your wallet not just at the dealership but throughout its ownership, the Dacia Duster reveals itself as a surprisingly smart choice. What do you think about the Dacia Duster's maintenance? Do you own one? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Supercar for more deep dives into the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.